still be by my side.
Yeah, it helps to process this. I have a good therapist.
I love my wife very much. She taught me a valuable lesson. If you do not control your fate, it will control you. So I took control. I brought them all here to die. But now there is only one left. Mr. Carver.
Excuse me?
I'm filling in for Carver, calling in sick.
Fuck Carver.
The man who murdered my wife.
Bro.
Just open it. Fine. You happy?
I'm not Carver!
Oh shit! Something's happening!
Excuse me. Yeah. Yeah, children, you do the best you can to raise them right. Cockroach, I do not know why you are here, but move out of my way, or you will join your wife.
Our paths were destined to return to each other.
Okay. Wait. Fucking slow down, mate. Come on.
Hey, so far so good. You can stop the train.
About that. I took the velocity of the train and divided it by the mass, and I realized that I don't know how to fucking drive a bullet train.
Dude, all you do is talk about trains.
Man, Thomas is a metaphor for life, not how to actually drive. Get done!
English. Brakes. We're good! I got it! Hold on!
We're on the wrong track.
What?
I'm sorry I shot you.
Actually, it was like twice.
Sorry?
You shot me twice!
Sorry I shot you twice.
Thanks, man! That show's real broke!